What's up, y'all? If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, make sure you guys keep watching the video, and without further ado, let's get right into it.
I don't know what's wrong with you girls. I feel like y'all don't need love. You need somebody who could micromanage you, you know what I'm saying? Tell you right from wrong, who's smart from who's a fool, which utensil to use for which food. Like, I got a schedule to attend to though. I can't really.
Damn, these niggas got me so twisted. How the fuck you so real, but baby, bitch on my line, I can feel what you spinning. Not too much pride to let no burn it, cause sign me out, pull up, go right about mine. I got time, let's discuss all those lies about fighting out here like you digging me out, and I ain't even coming, I'm in and out, and you ain't about the shit you rapping about, and I can spend the whole wearing it down. I'm going on like a short off. You tell these hoes you ain't cuddling, but with me enough, doing all that shit. You telling these hoes you ain't tricking off, but with me enough, I'm gon' get it all. How you niggas get so carried away, tripping when that dick is barely third place. Fucked out of pity, it's cute that you lame. Damn, cause it's mad I can fake like it's hang. You slime me, yo out. You slime me, yo out. You slime me, yo out. Oh, oh, oh,
Yeah. January, you pretend to see life clearly, yearly. February is a time that you put the evil eye and the pride aside for the fantasy of getting married. Very scary. March got you already second guessing titles. April, spring is here just like a spring start to spiral. May brings some warmer days. Poolside getting very tan. June, hey, you're moving ice cold, going back and forth with a married man. July, that's when I found out. July, August, it was baby this, baby that. Like, yeah, you're too tired. September, we falling off, but I'm still the main trying to win over. October is all about me, cause your time should have been over. November got your mood board, and for next year, you're single. December, the gift giving month, and now you want to rekindle. Tryna build trust, showing me a DMs, how they tryna bag you. Ironic how the news I got about you ended up being bad news. Get a nigga hit for 50 racks, girl, the beef cost like it's wagyu. Get a nigga hit, I make his ass see the light like a half moon. Shot the QC, pretty sure I made PMs like it's past noon. All I really know is W's and M's, life looking like a bathroom. All I really know is damn bags like I drove through and ordered fast food. Saying I'm too guarded with my feelings, who the fuck even asked you? 7 bodyguards just in case somebody really wanna try and crash through. Don't know why I listen to you when I hear you talking to me in some half truth. If I don't pay your rent, it end up like a old hairstyle, girl, it's past due. If I don't... That's as far as I got.
I'll get sorry to start all over again. You know we love, you know you just can't win.
People keep asking if I'm back, and I haven't really had an answer. But now, yeah, I'm thinking I'm back.
Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, I know.
Walking on that track. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside when you say. You was just saying, it's that way. Try to find if I'm crazy. See what you yeah. If I slide, but it's fine, just a fresh bite. Yeah. If I don't, you know, then nothing must be stressful. From the top of walking back it up, just can't let go. Just make me special. Whoa, yeah. But you won't admit that, no matter what you back. You know that you can't deny, baby, this that. Plus I'm the type to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky till you kick back. You know that you would be alive, you ain't missed that. Just play yes, no, and I can be waiting 'cause I said so.
Going, turn, I swear you're crazy. Someone that's close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't about revenge, but now I get along better with your friends. And it's wrong, I know, but again, trust me, this ain't about revenge. I get along better with your friends. And it's wrong, I know. It's wrong, I know. No. You said you felt. You said you felt something that's different from everyone else. You had the nerve to still ask for my help. Dug you out, ditches. Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, but it's wrong, I know.
Whoa, can't do nothing. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside when you stay. It was just saying, it was that way. Turn back if we gon' crazy. Hear what you beg for, yeah. If I slide, body fly, just to press my hands, yeah. You've been like that, but you know that nothing must be stressful. Talking talk, but walking back it up, you just can't let go. Just make me special, whoa, yeah. But you won't admit that, no matter what you do or try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, this that. Plus I'm the type to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky till you kick back. You know that you would be alive, you ain't missed that. Just play yes, no, and I can be waiting 'cause I said so.
Going, turn, I swear you're crazy. Someone that's close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't about revenge, but now I get along better with your friends. And it's wrong, I know, but again, trust me, this ain't about revenge. I get along better with your friends. And it's wrong, I know. It's wrong, I know. No. You said you felt. You said you felt something that's different from everyone else. You had the nerve to still ask for my help. Dug you out, ditches.
I don't know what's wrong with you girls. I feel like y'all don't need love. You need somebody who could micromanage you. You know what I'm saying? Tell you right from wrong. Who's smart from who's a fool. Which utensil to use for which food. Like, I got a schedule to attend to though. I can't really.
Damn, these niggas got me so twisted. How the fuck you so real, but baby, bitch on my line, I can feel what you spinning. Not too much pride to let no burning good sign me out. Pull up, go right about mine. I got time, let's discuss all those lies about. Friend out here like you digging me out, and I ain't even coming, I'm in and out. And you ain't about the shit you rapping about, and I can spend the whole wearing it down. I'm going on like a sort of. You tell these hoes you ain't cuddling, but with me enough, doing all that shit. You telling these hoes you ain't tricking off, but with me enough, I'm gon' get it all. How you niggas get so carried away, tripping when that dick is barely third place. Fucked out of pity, it's cute that you lame. Dip
pretend to see life clearly, yearly. February is the time that you put the evil eye and the pride aside for the fantasy of getting married. Very scary. March got you already second guessing titles. April, spring is here just like a spring start to spiral. May brings some warmer days. Poolside getting very tan. June, hey, you moving ice cold, going back and forth with a married man. July, that's when I found out. July, August, it was baby this, baby that, like yeah, your tools tied. September, we falling off, but I'm still the main trying to win over. October is all about me, cause your time should've been over. November got your mood board, and for next year, you're single. December, the